Well, my live feed went off, but I'm trying to get a little closer to the fire. As crazy as that may sound, I'm maybe less than a mile from the flame. Fire truck, fire. It's at, you can't even see the flame, the smoke really, because the whole sky is basically smoke right here. Basically, it starts there, and it's everything on that side of the road is smoke. Move, Coco, get in the back. People are trying to get their horses or something, I guess. Take them somewhere. Pulling their storage unit out of the storage. Police are out here everywhere too. Highway patrol are so thick out here. They're at every street. If you don't live down there, you can't go down there. Oh, I think I'm possibly about. Yeah, there's police everywhere. Look how many. Oh, there's the park rangers, police, sheriff, there's another sheriff, maybe 5 going up the mountain. Evacuations. Evacuations. Police are up here. They got that street blocked off right there. Say a nigga ain't crazy. Up and there's that one. Fuck, man. Oh, I gotta close the window. It's smoky. It's really smoky up here. Oh, there's ash all over the trees. And I can smell like fucking fire. Oh, and I see there's a plane up in the fucking smoke. I know this little back road right here though. Watch, I'm gonna try to take this little back road. Lost Horizon Drive. Millet Lane. All the windows down. I can smell weed and smoke. I really can't go no further on this road though. Fuck. Truck driver wondering what the fuck I'm doing up here. I'm trying to turn this bitch around. He's going up to his property. I'm on damn near private property in the fire. Wildfire, baby. Trying not to die though. There it is. Look, there's town. Way back down there. I'm up in the mountains now. And it's above my head. Oh, look, there's one of the. Oh, damn it. Look, there's a car in front of me going through the woods. You can hear the plane. I mean, I gotta put my shit back in drive just in case I gotta kind of take off or something. But you can see that white part right there. That's somebody's house or something. That's something that's a different color smoke. That's not regular woods. And then that black shit, that black spot right in the middle. I mean, something rubber, plastic, big plastic, something's done burnt up. Usually, that's what I was always told. But everything out here is so just dry. All this is gonna burn up. I'm on Millet Lane. It's right now 8:53. And it's so black right here that I'm gonna get away from here a little bit. Because I ain't stupid. Look, the fire department are going by me. Nobody's really here. Hold on, here. I ain't worried about no farmer really. I'm just I'm back. Man, it's just like you can't breathe really. It's fucking strong. I don't think I'm gonna worry about going. So this is Lost Horizon Drive. I need to take my seatbelt off a little bit for a second here in case I had to do some stupid shit or stupider shit. But I got 4-wheel drive and some chunky, big, meaty tires. So hopefully, and my air conditioning. I got gas. Turn on my headlights. I'm going up against the fire wall. Car. It's here. It's like right there. Got a car behind me too. I'm pretty fucking close now. Nigga, hey. Okay, hold on. I think I seen where I need to be at. Everybody's packing. I see everybody's got their cars packing, trailers packing. There's some sort of lights going on up here. Hey, buddy, you gonna need a ride into town or anything?
I'm good, thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
No problem. I don't know what this car is right here. But I'm gonna fucking go by it. Now, he works for the city, just coming home. He fucking lives out here, has to. Look at that shit. Wildfire. I think I can go in a little bit closer. I'm kind of scared a little bit. To keep it real, I'm got a little bit scared. Coco back there. His homes. People still live here. I better get it out, man. I'm telling you now, I'm on Lost Horizon Drive. Oh man, they're trying to get their animals. Getting their horses out of here. I'm pulled up on Old Olive Highway and Lost Horizon Drive. Let's try one more hill. Let's see if I can get one more mountain closer. I'm gonna have the whole shit on video. I need to put my seatbelt back on. No, getting up here with these police. I fuck around and get pulled over and get a ticket for not having a seatbelt in the middle of a wildfire. I can see he's fuck. That nigga's cutting his lawn. I think the dirt's gonna burn. It's so dry out here. People are taking off. The back of their trucks are loaded down, kinda. That damn boathouse out here, huh? Oh man. It's strong here. The scent of fire is super strong here. I'm actually on Old Olive Highway. That's Morning Dove Lane or whatever. I'm at pretty much the John Madden Lane and Old Olive Highway. This is like, what the fuck are you doing up here area. Mind you know what I'm saying? This is like all growers, like 80% of the people. I'm about to flip around. Hella police are right there, so I'm turning around. Can't go no further. They have a roadblock right now. There's hella police up there. I'm above Oroville. I'm pretty much like, you can't exactly see them, but those are the flames right there. I'm pulled over like an idiot. And you see how it's so orange? Yeah, that is fire. Like dead at the top, maybe 800 feet from me. Above my car. I wish this thing had like smell-o-vision. But it's getting darker and darker right here. That fire is, so that's somebody's house is burning right there. Thank God they're getting people out of here. I can't take the chance to be pulled over really up here. But I'm saying right here is a very dangerous zone. That's directly above my head right here. I don't know if I should even be right here. I'm actually past where the fire line is. I should move down some. I've moved up. And the fire's kind of moving a little differently than I thought from here. As they would probably tell you, well, the fire, you can't predict it, blah, 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 blah. you can surely see that I'm beyond the danger zone. It's been a while since cars even came. These people are leaving. It's time to police right in front of me too. This is a roadblock. I was already past one of the roadblocks he just took down. Meaning I'm already super into the danger zone. I'm going the worst way to go. There's the side of the mountain I just left. I actually, the flames are probably, they look like they're about hundreds of feet high. I can't even tell. There's no way for me to even guess that. But one thing's for sure is none of this will be here tomorrow. None of this will be here tomorrow. Police are coming everywhere. They're everywhere. Oh, shit. I better get out of here. Someone stop me.